Are you a Tesla fan? Did you hear about the Tesla robot attack on an engineer at the Tesla Giga, Texas factory, where cutting-edge technology and human expertise collided? In a shocking incident, a Tesla engineer found himself in a nightmare. Witnessed by colleagues, a malfunctioning robot designed to handle car parts turned violent, leaving a trail of blood on the factory floor. As reported by DailyMail, the aftermath raises concerns about workplace safety and the risks associated with automated technology. This incident, though reported, adds to a growing list of accidents involving robots in various industries. An attorney representing contract workers suggests that the number of injuries at the factory might be underreported. Stay tuned for more interesting stories and don't forget to subscribe for the latest insights.